Hi guys, this is Prashant Rao. Um, Planning to do this series for those who are new to forex and futures markets. Most of us have played with stock markets a little bit, or maybe to a good extent, and you're probably looking to explore what other asset classes are out there. Given the recent volatility in the stock market, um, well, unless you're extremely good and can time really well, which most people cannot, it's highly likely that you'll be losing money as opposed to making money. So it's a good opportunity for one to look at other asset classes that are out there. And so I want to give you a little bit of a primer on, commodity trading, uh, also known as the futures markets, and forex. Uh, so both forex and commodities have a lot of liquid markets, and uh, they are extremely hard to manipulate as opposed to stocks, which can easily go up and down based on some news that you see. And so it provides you with a uh, whole different class of opportunities which you couldn't otherwise access via stocks so easily. The other aspect of commodities and futures and forex is that uh, they use margin accounts, and while you can trade stocks on margin, the leverage is fairly limited. And keep in mind that leverage is a double-edged sword, so you can make as much or lose as much. So it's very important that you use leverage wisely in the futures and forex markets. So with that, let's take a look at a couple of charts. So what you're looking at right now is a chart of the um, uh, NYMEX crude oil futures, and this is a monthly chart. So each bar on this screen here is a monthly chart, is a monthly bar. And so when you look at it at a monthly level, now this makes a lot of sense to you. And if you wondered in, let's say, 2014, where the price of oil might be heading, the market was already telling you where it was headed. So just analyzing this a little bit, so you had a strong resistance at this level, and then there were multiple uh, efforts to break that level. And each time you can see that the close was at or lower than the previous levels. And finally, the market gave up. And then this is the key juncture where one could actually make a lot of money here. And so if you were trading on a based on a monthly chart, then when it crossed the neckline at this double top or complex double top, you would have known that oil is headed nothing but nowhere but lower. And this would have been a great opportunity for you to make money all the way from $20 to, at the very least, this support over here, which is $40. Uh, so I think unlike stocks, I think, and most stocks, uh, in commodities, the cycles are very long. So it always helps to take a look at what's happening in the broader picture, and the further out you can go, the better. So in this case, we have charts until 2007. If you go all the way back, you can see uh, even more interesting patterns. So I think that's all for today, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. See you next time.